my kindergarten friends. Welcome back to Miss Cindy's kindergarten reading class. Our lessons for today are taken from the Tennessee Foundational Skills Curriculum Supplement. We will be taking lessons today from Unit 2. So let's jump right into our activities, our Sounds First activities for today. Our Sounds First activity for today, the first one is our rhyming activity, and it's called Feel the Rhyme. If you remember yesterday, we kind of swayed back and forth to kind of feel the rhyme, and then we picked out words that we said after the rhyme. So let's do those again. Ready? Our first sentence is, use that broom to sweep up the room. Say it with me. Use that broom to sweep up the room. Broom, room. Repeat those with me. Broom, room. Good job. The next sentence, listen to that crowd. They sound so loud. Say that with me. Listen to that crowd. They sound so loud. Crowd, loud. Say those with me. Crowd, loud. The next sentence, I love to run. It's really fun. Say it with me. I love to run. It's really fun. Run, fun. Say it with me. Run, fun. The next sentence, I'm so glad that you're not feeling sad. I'm so glad that you're not feeling sad. Glad, sad. Say it with me. Glad, sad. Our last one. I sat on my hat and now it's very flat. Say it with me. I sat on my hat and now it's very flat. So this time there are 3 words. Sat, hat, flat. Say those with me. Sat, hat, flat. Great job with those rhyming activities today. Our next Sounds First activity is leaving a syllable off. Now, if you remember yesterday, we would bend down and say the part of the word softly, and then we would say the other part loudly. So today, let's do some more of those. Ready? Let's stand up. My first sentence for today is, my brother likes to play in the sandbox. Say that with me. My brother likes to play in the sandbox. Our word is sandbox. So we're going to say sandbox. Do it with me. Sandbox. One more time. Sandbox. Great job. Our next sentence. I hope we can go to the baseball game. Say that with me. I hope we can go to the baseball game. Our word is baseball. So the first part is base, base, ball. My next sentence, I'm going on a trip. I need to find my suitcase. Say that sentence with me. I'm going on a trip. I need to find my suitcase. The suitcase is what? The bag we put our clothes in, right? So our word is suitcase. You ready? So for the word suitcase, we're going to bend down first, say it softly, then stand up. Ready? Suitcase. Again. Suitcase. Good job. My next sentence, it would be helpful to ride in a, it would be, let's start that sentence over. It would be fun to ride in a spaceship. It would be fun to ride in a spaceship. Say it with me. It would be fun to ride in a spaceship. And our word is spaceship. So we're going to bend down first and say space, then we'll stand up and say ship. Ready? Space. Ship. Space. Ship. Great job. And our last sentence, it's dark in here. I need to turn on my flashlight. Say it with me. It's dark in here. I need to turn on my flashlight. And our word is flashlight. So we're going to say flash, standing up, and then we'll squat down and very softly say light. Ready? Flash, light. Do it again. Flash, light. Oh, what a terrific job you did with those today. That was amazing. Our next sounds first activity for today is cut off the sound. Cut off the sound. So for these activities, if you remember, we would put our fist under our chin, and as we said the word, we would pull out our hand like we can see that word coming out, right? Then we'll take our other hand and snip off that first sound. You ready to try some of those? Our fists are ready. My first sentence is that a rat under the dumpster? What's a dumpster? Right, it's a big container that garbage goes into, right? So the sentence is that a rat under the dumpster? Say that sentence with me. Is that a rat under the dumpster? And our word is rat. So let's put our fist under our chin. Get our scissors ready. And as we say the word, we're going to snip off that first sound. Ready? Rat. We're going to snip off that. Ready? Rat. We snipped off that at the beginning of it. Our next sentence, please stay right here until I get back. Please stay right here until I get back. Say that with me. Please stay right here until I get back. Our word is here. Let's put our fist under our chin. We're ready. And the word is here. Ready? Here. What sound did we snip? Here. That's right. At the beginning of it is the sound we snipped. My next sentence is, I tried not to wake up the baby. Say that with me. I tried not to wake up the baby. And our word is wake. Get our fist ready. Wake. What sound do we snip? That's right. We snipped off the at the beginning of wake. Our next sentence, the mice got into the bag of flour. The mice got into the bag of flour. Say that with me. The mice got into the bag of flour. And our word is mice. Put our fist under our chin. Ready? Mice. Mice. Where did we snip? Where did we feel that snip? After the right? And we snipped it right there. So we snipped off the at the beginning. We cut it off. My next sentence, I love to shop for presents. Say that with me. I love to shop for presents. And our word is shop. Put our hand under our chin. Ready? Shop. What did we cut off that time? Shop. That's right. We cut off the beginning of that word. What an outstanding job you did on cutting off those different sounds using our pretend scissors. And our last activity for Sounds First today is our new silly sentence. And our new silly sentence for today is 2 tomatoes tiptoed together to town. Try to say it with me. 2 tomatoes tiptoed together to town. Now let's put it all together. You ready? 2 tomatoes tiptoed together to town. Last time. 2 tomatoes tiptoed together to town. So today you can walk up to people and say, hi, would you like to hear a silly sentence? And they say, well, sure I would, kindergarten friend. And you can say, 2 tomatoes tiptoed together to town. And they'll say, what a silly sentence that is indeed. Well, those are our activities for our Sounds First today. Now we're ready to look at our objectives for Lesson 2 and Unit 2. For today's lesson, we'll need a small crayon, our Play-Doh, Worksheet 2.1, and Worksheet 2.2. Unit 2, Lesson 2 is focused on blending and pre-writing. All right, our warm-up activity for today is syllable blending. And for these syllable blendings, we're going to do, remember our hand flips from yesterday? So we put our hands up like this, and as we say each part of the word, we'll flip our hands over, and then at the end, we'll clap it back together and put the word back together. Are you ready? Let's get back a little bit so you can see my hands a little better. So the first one is, here's our example, cup, cake. I'm going to do it again, and after I say it, you say it, and flip your hand, and we'll say the other one. Ready? Cup. Now you do it. Cake. Now let's clap it together. Cupcake. There you go. Good job. Hands are ready. The next one. Bed. Room. Put it together. Bedroom. Awesome. Number 3. Snow. Man. Snowman. Great job. Number 4. Sea. Shell. Put it together. Seashell. That's right. Pop. Corn. Put it together. Popcorn. The next one. Got your hands ready? Rain. Bow. Rainbow. Number 7. Out. Side. Put it together. Outside. And our last one. Bed. Bug. Bedbug. What an outstanding job you did on those syllable blendings. The next activity for today is the tap and chase game. Now, if you remember from yesterday, if you are at home and you don't have other people that can play the Duck, Duck, Goose game with you, which is the tap and chase game, then you can always do the activity by yourself by standing up and taking one big giant step each time that I say a word part. Then after we say the word parts, you're going to jump as high up in the air as you can, and you're going to say the word put together. Okay? Let's try those. So if you have enough people and you want to play Duck, Duck, Goose, that's fine. If not, then take one giant step for each of the word parts, and then say the entire word and jump as high up in the air as you can. You ready? Let's play our game. My first word, the word parts are swing, take a big step, set, another big step, and the word together is swing set. That's right. So jump high up in the air now. Oh, great job. Number 2, ready for a big step? Bath, room. All together the word is bathroom. Number 3, snow, flake. All together the word is snowflake. Number 4, inside. And the word is inside. Number 5, big step for each part of the word. Friendly. All together it's friendly. Number 6, take a big step, over. And all together it's over. Number 7, Friday. And if we put it together, it's Friday. Number 8, pony. And if we put that together, it's pony. Great job. Number 9, sentence. We put it together. The word is sentence. That's right. And number 10, trouble. All together the word is trouble, and a big jump at the end. Wow, you all did marvelous on that activity. Our next activity is blending syllables and sounds. So we're going to go back to our hand flips for the first part of this activity, and then at the end we'll do hand flips, but we'll be doing it with individual sounds and words. Does that sound like fun? Let's go ahead and get started. So get our hands up and get them ready. Our first one is ant. Flip your hand and say the word. Ant, hill. Now you flip yours. Good. And if we put them together, it's anthill. Good. Next one, class, room, classroom. Good job. The next one, barn, yard, together, barnyard. The last one, back, pack, clap, backpack. Good job on those. Now we're going to do something similar, but this time I'll only be telling you individual sounds from a word, and then we'll put those sounds together to make the word, and we'll clap it at the end. Are you ready? The first one, N-O. No. Good job. The next one, sh-oo. Put it together, and what's the word? Shoe. That's right. Z-oo. Zoo. Good job. Next one, M-E. Me. Next one, N-E. Put it together. Me. That's right. The next one, off. Off. Great job with those. You did a wonderful job blending those syllables and blending those sounds in those words. Good for you, kindergarten friend. The next part of our lesson today is on making humps. And we need our Play-Doh for this activity. So grab your Play-Doh. Go ahead and take that out. And roll that Play-Doh into a ball. I think I'll put us on our camera here so we can see. And after we get it rolled into a nice ball, remember how we rolled it back and forth across the table to make a nice long line like this. Do you have your line? Nice long line. Good job. Now for today, yesterday we made cups with our Play-Doh. Today we're going to make a hump with our Play-Doh. So to do this, whereas yesterday we started at the top, my camera got blurry. Maybe it'll come back in a minute. There it is. So today we're going to start at the bottom with our Play-Doh, and we're going to do a vertical line coming up, and then we're going to go over to the right in a curve, and then we're going to bring it back down in a vertical line on the right side. So a vertical line here and a vertical line here, with the curved part at the top this time. Yesterday the curved part was at the bottom, right, when we did the cut. So this one is a hump. Remember yesterday's was a cut, looked like this. So today we're doing just the opposite. We're starting at the bottom, we're curving it up, and we're coming back to the other side. So this is our hump. And knowing how to make a hump will help us with our letters M and N and with the letter H. So let's go ahead and take our Play-Doh and we'll put that back in our canister to keep it nice and fresh. And now we're ready to write the hump for today. So I'm going to take my marker, and to do this, we're going to start at the bottom of the page, and we're going to draw a vertical line, and then we're going to draw a hump over, and then we're going to come back down with another vertical line on the other side, so that we have a hump on our paper. And again, these humps will help us practice for the letters H and M and N. Would you like to practice some of those letters, some of these shapes now? Fantastic. If you will grab your worksheet with the camels and a crayon, we can start with the star at the top and follow those arrows and make a hump. We know camels need humps, right? But oh my, all of these camels have lost their humps. They're going to need us to help them find their humps. So start with each star, follow those arrows, and give our friends some humps. All camels need humps, right? So we've done the two at the top. Now come down to the next row. Let's work across this row, putting our crayon on the star, following that arrow around to the other side. Then across the page, we're going from the top to the bottom, right? And we're going from the left side to the right side. So we've done this one. Now we need to do the one on the right side. So we're going to start on the star, and we're going to follow that hump around and over to the other side. Now go down to the bottom of the page. This is the top, right? So the bottom is here. We're going to take our crayon. We're going to start on that star. We're going to follow that hump around and over to the other side. We have one more left on the front side. So we're going to start on that star and follow it around. You may have some on the back. If you have some on the back that you want to do, you can do those later. Go ahead and let's find our take-home sheet. So our take-home sheet today is ice cream cones. Who likes ice cream? I like ice cream. And for these ice cream cones, it appears that we're missing part of the ice cream cone. Now I know when I want an ice cream cone, I want a big, nice scoop of ice cream on the top. So we need to make humps on the top of each of these ice cream cones. So I'll get you started. These are your take-home sheets, but we're just going to start with the star, follow the arrows, and we're going to trace that hump onto the top of our ice cream cones. And those, as I said, are your take-home sheets. So you may want to take a little break and come back to those, possibly the back of your camel activity sheet, as well as the back of your ice cream take-home sheet. You might want to come back and finish those later on this afternoon or possibly tonight. And with that, that's the end of our lesson for today. I will see you again real soon. Goodbye for today.